Wow, welcome to another live stream coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be live. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin, and we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about what's going on news-wise that could be affecting you and me out there when it comes to crypto, when it comes to everything related to crypto. And remember, everything you see here is not financial advice, boys and girls. And do let me know, do absolutely let me know out there if the sound is okay. Give me a thumbs up, guys. So we're also going to be talking about Dogecoin 10x. When could we be seeing a dollar? Could this actually be possible? Could this actually be happening? So we're going to be talking about that and much, much more. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And remember, we got the co-host, we got Mr. Brilliant, the alien in the house, and we've also got Dino, the dino out there, guys. So, guys, let's jump into content without any further delay out there. So, wow. We've seen the last 24 hours, 36 hours has been absolutely amazing for Dogecoin, has been amazing for the community. We're seeing that social engagements for Dogecoin have hit the roof, guys. We're seeing, social engagements have gone up. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about that. The community is very, very excited out there. Everything is looking very good. And, I really see that, we could possibly see that with the April 20th coming, which is one of Elon Musk's favorite dates out there. You guys should know all about that. If you're an Elon Musk fan and follower, we could be seeing something big and huge happening for Dogecoin, for Twitter, and I believe that on the 4th, the 20th of April, this is a time when we could absolutely be seeing that finally Elon Musk announces, wait for it, announces that Twitter is going to use Dogecoin as the cryptocurrency of the platform. And if that happens, that is going to be a huge catalyst, absolutely a huge catalyst out there. And it's going to be huge, guys, absolutely freaking huge out there. So, guys, if you're watching for the first time, don't forget to go down there, smash the like, show some love. Welcome to everybody that's in the stream. So let's jump into the content without any further delay, guys. And don't forget to become a member. I would appreciate it. Sorry to throw it. I still got this flu. It's like just lingering. It's lingering like crazy. I don't know what's up with that. So, and also, guys, we have just broken past 72,000 subscribers. So thank you out there. Much love to all of you out there. I appreciate it. We appreciate it. Go down there and smash the likes, guys. So what's going on in terms of the broader markets out there? We did see that the broader markets are basically down almost 0.5% across the board. We saw the Dow Jones was down. We did see that S&P is down and NASDAQ is down as well. Don't forget this whole OPEC oil thing where they're limiting the supply of oil that they're releasing is causing the price of oil to go up. Okay, bottom line, price of oil is going up. The pundits in New York, they're kind of saying, well, with that said, we should be expecting that the Jeremy Powell, the Powell out there, will probably be increasing the rates out there. And don't forget, we got CPI data coming out next week as well. So people are thinking that the CPI data is going to be coming in hot, and that's going to put some more pressure on the whole sector. That's going to drive up inflation. That's going to cause Jeremy Powell to increase the rate hikes. And we did just see here, guys. You can see right here that New Zealand just increased their basis points, 50 basis points out there. And that was like a surprise move. No one is expecting that. That's why we're seeing most of the Asian markets tanking right now. But surprisingly enough, we are seeing that the pre-markets are looking pretty good, so we could see some recovery there. But look at the price of oil right now. OMG, the price of oil is going up, guys. It's like $81 a barrel out there. That's not going to help. That's just going to cause gas at the pumps to be more expensive. That's going to make Powell not be happy. Also, we're going to be talking about our man, your man. It looks like, who was in court in New York. Our friend, bless his little heart, and he's back in Florida now. So we're going to be talking about him as well. Out there, big news, big stuff that's happening. Today is the 5th out there. We've got ADP unemployment, we got U.S. trade balance coming in, we got initial jobless claims coming out on April 6th. Out there, nothing really big. Next week, like I said, this is a typo. I don't know why MarketWatch I mean, they're like lost their minds out there. This is February. February. It should be April 12th. April 12th. I don't know why they put February, like cuckoo. We got the CPI data coming out as well. So they're targeting 6%, but I think it's going to be coming hot, and that is going to tank most of the broader markets out there. It is what it is. Right now, what we're seeing on the heat map, out there, guys, smash the freaking likes, guys, smash the likes. We got 118 people in the live stream. We need to get this up to 200, guys. And the way you can help is do one thing: smash the likes, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and comment, guys. You've got to comment. Scott Gibbs out there, Pauline out there. You've got to comment. You've got to comment. Shane Smith, got to comment. Jung Vung, you've got to comment. Got to comment out there, and you've got to keep commenting. And you can, comment I, comment love, comment the OG, comment, and it helps, guys. It helps push out the content, and let's get it, guys. So we're seeing BTC is coming back. It's up 3%. That's pretty awesome. But the big story right now is, looks like the as I said in my previous videos last night, is that we're starting to see some of the capital, some of the money moving out of Bitcoin and starting to move into Ethereum, and starting to move into altcoins. So we're seeing some good performance from Ethereum right now, and that is typical, very typical. When we see that Bitcoin consolidates for a long period of time, you will see that people will start to move some of their Bitcoin profits into Ethereum. And that's what we're seeing right now. I appreciate Ricky Bobby in the house. Bring it, brother. Comment like a madman. And we got the there. One. Thank you. Comment, guys. Like I said, what you got to do is you got to keep commenting, because that really, tells the YouTube algorithm that you're loving the content, that you're engaging with the content. And the more you engage, the more the AI loves it out there. So you got to keep doing that. Keep doing that. And Pauline says, God bless Donald Trump. Yeah, I believe it. So overall, things are looking pretty good on the heat map. In terms of Bitcoin returns, don't forget we got some big Dogecoin news that we're going to be talking about. So keep watching. We're going to be talking about some technicals, guys. Some freaking technicals. Dogecoin 10x. Could Dogecoin hit $1? We're going to be talking about that, because the title is Dogecoin price prediction. Can Dogecoin 10x to $1? We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about it. So overall, Q1 is looking pretty lovely jubbly. So far, Q2 we're down a little bit. So far, that's why we're seeing most of the cryptocurrencies just accumulating. I wouldn't worry about it. So much, so good out there. We got 4 weeks, guys. 4 freaking weeks. 1 day, 4 hours, 25 minutes before Jeremy Powell, the Powler out there, comes out and tells us about the rate hikes. So like I said, I believe that CPI data is going to be coming in hot out there, guys. And from that perspective, we are going to see that the basis points are going to be coming in around about 25 basis points. Now, 62.8% are saying we're going to get a basis point hike out there. That is not going to be good. It looks like we have the real life rambles. Christian, keep up the knowledge. Dogecoin to move, guys. Dogecoin to the moon. Now, normally I could go woo woo, but my voice won't handle the woo woo. That's it. It sounds weird, right? So I can't woo woo. But I'm thinking about woo woo out there. So we're going to be seeing that. We should get a rate hike out there. It's not good. Fear and greed right now. Fear and greed, ladies and gentlemen. Let me give this a minty refresh. And if you love Dogecoin, like I love all of you out there, and I really do, we really do. We got Mr. Alien, a brilliant alien, Mr. Bryant, brilliant in the house. Here's a brilliant alien for you. And guys, if you want the OG to give a kiss to the alien, you know what you got to do. You got to pay for that with a super chat. Let me get some. I got to keep lubricating the throat. This is a Picard Sweat, actually. It's like kind of like a sports drink thing. So it's pretty good. So we're still seeing that the social sentiment for Bitcoin is still looking pretty good. People are still greedy. That is good out there. That is good. Also, too, we have seen some big whale movements for Dogecoin. We're going to be talking about that, how that could impact you and me out there. Bitcoin halving clock. Let's get it. Pow, pow. We're seeing that Bitcoin halving clock right now is we got 366 days for the next halving. Halving if you're from England, or halving out there. And we're going to be seeing that on April 5th, 2024 out there. All right, Mr. Brilliant. Woo, 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 woo. Scott Gibbs. Hey, we got Taters in the house. Taters, much love. And Taters, hey, Mr. Brilliant, thank you for super chat. I appreciate it. Much love to you. And I got a kiss to Adam. Mwah. You got it right there. So Taters and Eggs says, just hung up with Elon Musk, says, what is about to happen was foretold. Hope you are listening. God bless the community out there. I love it. You know, I mean, guys, let's be serious for a second. Let's be freaking serious for a second. Do you think that April 20th, we're going to get Elon Musk? Scott Gibbs, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it, brother. God bless you. Do you think that on April 20th, we are going to see Elon Musk reveal, big reveal, that Dogecoin will be the official currency of Twitter? Guys, comment right freaking now. Comment right freaking now. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Comment, guys. Comment. Jose in the house, guys. Jose, if the church bring price down, let's buy more Doge. Don't let the. Okay. All right. Much love. James Lindsay in the house. You made it. I appreciate it, brother. So, guys, do you think that 420 is going to be a huge date for Dogecoin? I believe out there that it's going to be the date that he reveals finally that Dogecoin is the official currency of Twitter. DXY, guys, is looking good. This is the monthly. Let's just change this to daily time frame. Daily time frame out there. We're seeing some good movement here on the DXY. We are seeing that overall the trend is down, down, and that's what we want to see. When we had the previous bull run for Bitcoin, we did see that the dollar's run about 88 out there. So that's what we're going to see. And some people are saying that we could be seeing the collapse of the U.S. dollar out there as the sovereign currency out there. So that's what people are saying. That's what people are absolutely saying out there. Let me see if I can pull out this tweet out there. Let me see if I can find it out there. Let me see if I can find it. Where is it? Okay, where is it? Okay, so I think this is interesting because when we talk about DXY and we are talking about the collapse of the US dollar, and our friend GG, the former president, talks about it. Listen in.
Our currency is crashing and will soon no longer be the world standard, which will be our greatest defeat, frankly, in 200 years. There will be no defeat like that. That will take us away from being even a great power.
Yep. So a lot of people are saying that could be happening. We're also seeing right here that where is it? We're also seeing right here that breaking news, Malaysia's PM says there's no reason for Malaysia to continue depending on the dollar. So we're seeing that in my lifetime, I've never seen so many countries say, look, we don't need to depend on the dollar. We don't want to see that anymore. So this is a big problem. This is a big problem. And as DT just said, that the currency is crashing and it could soon no longer be the world standard. So what do you guys think about that? Basimic in the house, guys, what do you think about that? Do you believe that could be happening? Do you believe that is possible out there? I would appreciate, guys, please tell me what you think about that, guys. I need to know. So let's continue on. So that's a DXY story. Gold is doing its thing. I'm not a big gold bug. You do you out there. What else is coming in for the SB 500? We're seeing that it is mainly down yesterday, 0.5%. We're seeing that, however, the pre-markets right now are looking pretty good for S&P 500. So we could see a nice recovery coming in for that. So not too bad. Let's talk about our darling, your darling right now. So we are seeing that on the 3-hour chart right now, we have a nice bit of pumpage, up about 1.5% right now. So that is pretty good news. And we're seeing that Bitcoin is trying to fight past this whole 28,600 level. So on the 3-hour, we're seeing right now that Bitcoin has been accumulating since March 23rd in this whole range, a whole accumulation out there. So from that perspective, it is looking good. But this whole accumulation is one of the reasons why we're absolutely seeing right now that Ethereum is on fire right now. And on the daily, Ethereum is looking pretty good. And what is happening is that when Bitcoin accumulates for a long period of time, we will often see that people will take out profits from Bitcoin and move it into altcoins. And right now, the big king daddy of altcoins is, of course, Ethereum. So you're going to see that Ethereum out there is going to start to pump, and then we are going to see that the other altcoins will follow. So that is what's happening right now. But my not my prediction, I don't want to say prediction, what I'm thinking not financial advice, is I still think that we are going to be range bound for for another week or so. And I believe that eventually we will break out because we're forming this huge bull flag, guys. I mean, look at this bull flag. Here's the flagpole. There's a flag, okay? And if we see this whole breakout, that should take us up to $34,000. Frank Sabala, thank you, brother. Much love in the house. It's a beautiful time. And we got Michael Dezidi just said DXY is dropping. That's what we need. We absolutely need brothers and sisters at DXY to drop like a mother beep out there. And if that happens, and it will happen, we're like I just showed you. The Malaysian PM says we don't need to rely on the dollar. We just saw the DT in Florida say, the U.S. dollar may not be the currency, world reserve currency anymore. And I really see it's happening, guys. It's happening. It is happening, guys. I got to okay. Give me a second. This is live. It's live, right? I'm telling you, it's live. Guys, show more love out there. We got Frank Sabala just gave us a $10 super chat. I appreciate it, brother. I had a kiss alien for Frank out there. Mwah. There you go, Frank. I love you. Thumbs up. Thank you for your super chat. So that's what's going on. So I'm still feeling pretty lovely jubbly out there. When it comes to who's in the money, who's out of the money for Bitcoin, it's interesting to note. Dogecoin 111. Dogecoin 111 out there. It's interesting to note out there that things are looking pretty okay. Out there. So why is this not loading? Why is this not loading out there? Well, it's not loading. I guess we got technical difficulties. That's the thing when you're doing live streams, right? You got technical difficulties. I will try to load this again and come back to it. And I will come back to it. Here we go. Thank you, internet gods. Thank you. I appreciate it. So we're seeing that 69% of Bitcoin holders are in the money. So that is good, guys. Just let that sink in. That 69% of all holders are in the money. So this is good news. It's absolutely good news out there. Ethereum, fantastic. All I got to say is that our next key resistance level for Ethereum right now is around about 2K. That is going to be the next big bumpity bump that we need to get past for Ethereum. And I believe it's going to happen. I believe that we're going to see 2K Ethereum before we see a $30,000 Bitcoin. What do you guys think? What do you think out there? Do you think we'll see a 2K Ethereum before we see a $30,000 Bitcoin? Tell me, comment, guys. I need to know. And guys, you need to be bumping the likes. We need to be licking the likes out there. Jose Salgado. Thank you, brother. Much love for the super chat out there. I appreciate all the love you guys are sharing. Appreciate all the love you're giving out there. I got Jose, just for you, brother. Mwah. Kiss the alien. You got it, brother. And Mr. Brilliant, where are you? Mr. Brilliant? I don't see you. Julian Wilton just said to OG, can you do a video on Paw Swap in the future? I can look at that. Definitely, I can look at that, guys. So moving on. So let's talk about what's going on with news. So interestingly, right now, an ancient Dogecoin wallet suddenly awakes after 9 years. Mr. Brilliant, yeah. $2 super chat from Mr. Brilliant. Thank you. He says Dogecoin 111-555-333. Guys, smash Dogecoin 111-555-333 out there, guys. I appreciate it. Jane, hello, sis. Holla, sis. Appreciate it. So as I was talking about, there is an ancient Dogecoin wallet. Oh, ancient. The ancient Dogecoin wallet suddenly awakes after 9 years. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, let's jump into it. So according to this article, and I'm going to paraphrase here. Okay, so if it gets boring, smash the likes. Okay, if it gets boring, comment. I love you, OG. Tarpoon, brother, it's been more than a minute. Tarpoon just gave us a $5 super chat. I appreciate that, brother. Tarpoon, you calling it? I'm not gonna. That's for Tarpoon out there. I appreciate it. Smash freaking likes. So let's jump into this article. Let's jump into it. Let's absolutely jump in. So a dormant address. Sounds ominous, right? Dormant address. And that was about $116,000 worth of Dogecoin has been activated. Well, in retrospect, $116,000 is for Dogecoin with a market cap of like 13 billion is nothing, right? It's a drop in the ocean. But anyways, it's news, right? So the awakening coincides with the recent spike in the Google searches for cryptocurrency, which has surged nearly 2,000%, right? So we're seeing a 2,000% increase spike for Dogecoin search on Google. So that is just cool. And that is another reason why we're seeing, if you take a look at the social sentiment right now for Doge, we are seeing right now, a humongous amount of engagements in the last week, because people are just like going cuckoo shmata, boo shmata out there, and people are seeking the knowledge about Doge. So that is pretty good. We're seeing a spike. I mean, right now we're seeing it cool off a little bit because we got the FOMO-zoids out there. I mean, they like when Doge came up, they just kind of like aped into it, and now that Doge is kind of consolidating a little bit, they're like, they're nowhere to be found. So guys, keep the pressure on, keep engaging out there. Also guys, we're going to be talking about Domino's. Domino's just did something huge, absolutely freaking huge for Dogecoin. So this awakening coincides with the global spike in search for Dogecoin. It's cool. So unsurprisingly, the interest in the meme-based cryptocurrency founded after 2013 has skyrocketed over the past week. And we all know what that's all about. And what they're searching for is like buy Dogecoin has had huge increases. So basically what's going on is this guy has activated his wallet and he has basically moved his Dogecoin to crypto exchange. He might be selling. I mean, he probably bought this Doge at like a pittance out there. So that's what that is. That's what that's all about. Nothing too much to worry about. Dogecoin price prediction. As Doge hits 10, can it 10x from here? Well, there's a lot of people who will say no. There's a lot of people who will say that Doge is dead. There's a lot of people that will keep on dissing the Doge. But you guys have to be realistic and understand what's going on. Right now, we're seeing that the market cap, the total cryptocurrency market cap is up. Let me just minty refresh it. Dogecoin 1 is up 3% right now. We're seeing that everything is coming up. We're seeing Ethereum is up 5.79%. We're seeing that BNB is up. We're seeing XRP is up. But guys, we're seeing that Dogecoin is in the 8th spot. Now, Dogecoin did flip off Cardano, and these guys like going back and forth. But guys, keep this in perspective. There's going to be a lot of haters out there, a lot of people that are not going to be loving the Doge, and they're going to be hating on the Doge. But love it or leave it, we've seen Doge has been in the top 10 spot for the last 2 years. Let that sink in. Let that sink in. That Dogecoin has been in the top 10 spot for 2 years. Okay? That's going to mean something. And a lot of people don't like that. A lot of people can't stand it that, Dogecoin, which was created as a joke, is now in the top 10 spot. And you remember, it's ironic, isn't it, that something that was created as a joke is now in the top 10. Now remember, why is Dogecoin called Doge, D-O-G-E? Well, basically, it was made as a joke, and they didn't want to use the word dog, so they basically added the E after dog. So that became Doge. That's how that happened, okay? So my point here is that, as Dogecoin starts to spike, Dogecoin starts to peak, there's going to be a lot of negativity. Also, there's going to be scammer, whammer, bammers. I'm going to show you an example of a Dogecoin scammer, whammer, bammer out there. Remember, if anybody out there asks you to invest or do this, don't do it, guys. So let's get back to this whole Dogecoin going to $1, guys. So Dogecoin going to $1, I think it's possible. Let's get into it, okay? So let's get into it. So we saw all of this out there. We saw, the Dogecoin, the official Dogecoin Twitter, very currency, wow, much coin, how money, so crypto. Fantastic. And, there was a whole catalyst about, now the Twitter desktop is using the Dogecoin icon, Dogecoin logo has replaced the Twitter. So that's great. That's actually fantastic. That's what we need. And remember, this whole thing with Twitter is not some isolated rah-rah hypey hype. This is here to stay. And this is a big, huge catalyst out there. So we all had, Elon Musk, he telegraphed this. This is an old photo, blah, blah, blah. and this is what led to this whole thing, okay? And we saw this huge spike, 30% spike. So Dogecoin latest Twitter logo fueled pump has seen the cryptocurrency rally substantially above its major moving averages, all of which reside between 0.75 and 8. So Dogecoin is well above that moving average. Very, very good news out there. And that means that Doge is now around 50% up versus its mid-March lows. Remember, in March, we were at freaking 0.630, right, guys? Remember that. So if you had bought Doge at 0.630, you'd be up right now 50%. So I know that some of you bought high, during the hype, like a year and a half ago, 2 years ago. I know that. But it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. But if you guys have bought in recently, it's okay. So the latest pump means that Dogecoin has now hit the bullish target, the early February highs. So if you look at Dogecoin right now, you can see here that right now, if you look at our February highs, it was around 10 cents. So we are back to the February highs right now. And right now we're seeing that this whole area here, around about 966 area, is a bit of resistance. So we need to break above the 10-cent line, confirm with a 24-hour breakout to the upside, and that will have the continuation pattern for Dogecoin going up. And my next freaking target is this white line in the sand, and I believe we're going to get that. And you can see here, it looks like on the daily, we looks like we could be starting to form this whole W pattern here, guys. Now, this is a very bullish pattern on the daily. If this pattern does play out, and I expect it to play out, this W pattern, it could take us all the way up to 15 freaking cents, guys. So I believe that 15 cents is possible by the end of the month. Okay, it's possible. Remember, TA is only TA. It's not a science. I'm saying it's possible. We could have some macroeconomic, poopa that happens that pushes everything down. But if we look at the technicals on the daily, 15 cents is not out of the question. So what about Doge getting to $1? I know you're all like, well, is Doge going to get to $1? Gee, let's get to the meat and potatoes of the whole story here. Well, let's jump into it. Price prediction: can Dogecoin 10x to $1? Okay, let's talk about it. Dogecoin can certainly remain supported in the near future as long as Elon Musk continues to support Dogecoin. And we're not talking about rando tweets. We're talking about major freaking support. Now, we have hit the holy grail of support for Dogecoin. And that was, the integration of Doge logo replacing the Twitter, the birdie tweet out there. Guys, don't forget, if you want the OG to kiss the alien out there, super chats would be appreciated. Show some love out there. I appreciate it. And don't forget to smash the lights, smash freaking lights out there. So, what we're saying is that this, replacing the Twitter logo was big. And remember, this is not some short-term, tweet that's going to go up and then fizzle out. This is here to stay. And that leads me to believe that on 4/20, we're going to have Elon Musk announce Dogecoin as the official currency. Okay? That's going to be a major catalyst. If we can get to 15 cents, okay, by the end of April, and then we have this catalyst on 4/20, and we're around about 12, 13 cents, and we go up 50%, we could easily see 20 cents to 25 cents coming in if that major announcement happens. Okay, going to $1, in summer ain't gonna happen. Okay, that is not freaking gonna happen. So let's be optimistic, but let's not be stupid. Okay, so we went up 30% on this last catalyst. I think we can go up again with the next catalyst on the 4/20. Don't forget, we got the DOGEX mission to the freaking moon. That's supposed to be ahead. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Dogecoin to the moon. Guys, I need you all right now to comment. I love the OG. Comment. I love the OG. Mr. Brilliant, thank you very much. Thank you. Mr. Brilliant just bought me a bottle of water. This is a sports drink. I got to lubricate the voice out there before I talk like this. So, from my perspective, I think there's a lot of catalysts. Where do I see Dogecoin closing at the end of the year? I believe that Dogecoin could close closer to 25 to 30 cents by the end of the year. And I think that, April is going to be a huge freaking month for Dogecoin. And I believe that Dogecoin is going to, definitely 15 cents minimum by the end of the month. That's what I'm thinking. I could be wrong. Something else could happen out there, guys. So remember, Dogecoin, very, very much currency, very much wow, very much coin, very much how much money, so crypto, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Great time to be alive. What else is coming in for the Doge out there? We are seeing that behind Doge's rally to 10 cents. We all know what was behind that, right? It was Elon Musk. It was absolutely Elon Musk. But the thing that gets me excited is typically when we have these Elon pumps, typically what will happen with these Elon Musk pumps is they will go up and then they will come right back down to their beginning point. This time it didn't. This time it freaking didn't. We are staying alive and things are looking good. So if we can get another catalyst coming in soon, or even a little bit of a tickle of a couple tweets, that will sustain the momentum where we are. And if we can get above this area right here, if we can get above this area here and confirm for 24 hours to stay above the 10-cent level for 24 hours consistently, this will confirm a new support level for Doge, and that will aid us in our journey through time to hit 11 cents. It's going to happen, guys. And Dino says it's going to happen. Yeah. What? Okay. Dino says it's going to happen, so it's confirmed. It's confirmed by Dino the Dino that we're going to hit 15 cents, guys. 15 cents, guys. Live chat only for comments. Guys, comment. Guys, and don't forget to smash the like, guys. Smash it. Smash it. Like, what else is coming in? Machine learning algorithm sets Dogecoin price for April 30th. So this is an algorithm, okay? This algorithm, somebody ingested Dogecoin data into algorithm, and the algorithm kind of spit this out. So let's take a look. This is by Finbol. So what are they saying is that the AI technology says that Dogecoin will be trading at 10.038999 by the end of the month. So what do you guys think about that? So with that in mind, the machine learning algo said that we're going to be closing at just over 10 cents. What do you guys think? Do you think that we're going to close above 10 cents, below 10 cents, or are we going to hit 15 cents like the OG thinks? Guys, tell me. I need you to tell me. I believe 15 cents is more likely than 10 cents. But the algorithm is saying that we could be seeing 10 cents coming in. So that's what the algorithm is saying. 30% 30-day forecast for Dogecoin is 10 cents coming in. I believe that we could be seeing more like 15 cents coming in. That's what I'm thinking for the Doge, guys. Also, guys, breaking freaking news out there. Looks like Domino's Pizza UK, I ain't making this stuff up, has changed a new profile pic out there. This is Domino's UK has just changed a new profile pic, and they've included the Doge out there, guys. So Domino's UK just changed their profile pic. Dogecoin, Doge equals money out there. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. Absolutely freaking amazing out there. So it looks like James Lindsay says above 10 to 12 cents. Allison Edmonds says 15 cents. Looks like CK Minsk says 15 cents. Avery says 15 to 20 cents. Ooh, yeah, baby. Brian Wood says 15 over 10 for sure. But I think 13 to 14. And Maxi, I feel like the Twitter photo change to Dogecoin is Elon's final warning to those who are still on the fence about Dogecoin, and confirmation is already. So that's a beautiful comment, Maxi. So, a lot of people are still saying 10 to 12 cents. 10 to 12 cents. So the crowd out there is saying 10 to 12 cents. Now, guys, we've got 192 people watching right now. I really would love to see 200 people in the live stream. So I need you to help me. How can you help me? And I need you to go down there, smash the likes, tickle that like button. That's definitely going to help. That's the first thing. You've got to comment. And if you're watching Darren in house, welcome. Let's get it. And if you're watching, you need to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe. And you need to turn on the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a beat, guys. So you don't miss a beat out there and get notifications of all my time-sensitive videos, guys. So you need to do that. You need to freaking do that. Need to do that right now. Let's get it. And the other thing that you need to do is I need all of you to comment this right now. I return love, return OG. Comment up a storm, guys. Let's get it. I know it's boring. I keep asking for stuff, but you know, I want to, you know, bring the cool vibes, bring the vibes, the cool vibes, the crypto day, cool vibes, guys. I mean, I got the flu, guys. I'm flued up, but I'm still bringing you content, guys. Time to lubricate. So I think that, you know, from my perspective, I think that, you know, we are going to go up to about 15 cents. And that will take us, let me get that out of there. Technical difficulties. Let's just see how far that 15 cents. So if we're right here right now and we need to go up to 15 cents, that means that we need to go up 57%. It's possible. It's possible. Back in March, between March and now, we're up 50%. So it's not impossible that we can do that, guys. So lovely, jubbly out there. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Booyah. Let's get it. Dogecoin 111. Let's see what's going on with the tokenomics for Doge right now. So Dogecoin coin market cap is down 1.92%. I mean, it's one of the only coins that's kind of down right now. You know, some people have been taking profits. Some people have been like taking profits. It's okay. It's okay. We need to consolidate a little bit. You know, a little bit of cooling off. You know, I can still smell the rocket fuel. Can you smell the rocket fuel, Dino? Can you smell it? You can smell it. Okay. What? You want someone to kiss you? I'm not kissing you. Forget it. You dirty alien lipster. You know, if someone wants me to kiss the alien, you know what they got to do about that. So we're seeing that right now the volume is down 28.79%. But look at the volume. It's still over $2.8 billion worth of volume. It's insane, guys. I mean, you know, Dogecoin typical volume is like 300 million, 400 million, 500 million is a good day. But right now, we're seeing 2.8 billion. That's where the freaking be, boys. You know, like, come on. It's good. We're seeing the market cap is down as well at 13.355. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Let's see who's in the money. Let's give this a minute to refresh. Hope we don't get technical difficulties. Into the block. Let's go. Pow. Dogecoin 111. Let's get it again. Pow, 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 pow. We're seeing that right now that 66% of all the Dogecoin holders are in the money. Looking good. Looking jubbly. Lovely jubbly. So let's talk about what's going on right now. Now, keep in mind out there, there is scammer, whammer, bammers out there. So when Dogecoins, this is from Madam Doge out there. So this is a scam. Beware. When Dogecoin goes up, the scammers come out to play. Please retweet and notify others, Doge family. So if you guys see this tweet, it's a scammer, whammer, bammer out there, guys. So I'm going to retweet this out there, warn the community, you know, beware. Okay, so there you go. I retweeted it. I appreciate it. Now, not only am I going to retweet it, I'm going to retweet it without a comment out there. So, guys, be careful out there. It is a jungle. Guys, we just got over 200 people watching. I appreciate that. Smash the freaking likes out there, guys. Smash it, washy. Thank you, Madam Doge. If you're watching, God bless you, babe. I appreciate it. Good on you. So we got to keep the community safe, right? We got to keep the Doge community safe. We got to keep everybody safe out there. So this is from Titan of Crypto out there. We're going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin right now. So Williams VIX indicator. Well, say that 10 times. VIX. My brain's exploding. The VIX out there indicator catches market bottoms in asset classes. Bitcoin included. Once a gray bar appears after a series of green ones, the bottom is in right now. So for those who are still in doubt or convinced a 10K bottom is yet to come, reconsider. Yeah, I mean, okay, let's get real. If you think that 10K is incoming for Bitcoin, you need to go with the alien to Mars and get your brain pan. Checkity check. You know what I mean? Because that ain't happening. So if you're one of these people that are wishing and waiting for 10K Bitcoin, it ain't happening. So you can see here time and time again, after we have a series of green candles and we have a gray bottom, that means we're flipping, guys. And every time we flip gray, you know what happens. It's moonshot time, guys. Can you smell the rocket fuel? I can't really smell it because my nose is blocked and my throat's killing me. But I know it's out there. It's out there. The rocket fuel is out there, guys. It's out there. A matter of time. Time. Who doesn't like double bottoms, right? Everyone loves a double bottom. So we're seeing, once again, from Red Capital, Bitcoin has confirmed mid to long-term upside with its last micro downtrend breakout. This is bullish, guys, but it is healthy short-term downside. So what they're saying is there could be a little bit of a downside for Bitcoin. I ain't worried. That downside 26K, bring it. I don't care. Bring it. Downside, according to this, could be around about 26,900, 2,700, 27,000, 26,900. A little bit of retest, and then we're going to have a huge bounce. Ain't worried about it. Next few days will let us know. But we do have this double chop forming, guys. Who doesn't like double tops, guys? Well, it looks beautiful to me. Also, too, we got this trader out there. He reveals Bitcoin price target for 2024. And according to him, and this is his Wealth 99, he's saying that $200,000 by the end of next year, guys. $200,000 by the end of next year. It could be realistic for Bitcoin. Wow. So that is why don't sleep on Bitcoin. You will regret it. Not financial advice, guys. So that's still 1,000% off the bottom. Realistically, if someone was buying in at the buy zone here, that's where we are right now. That's at 7x. That's pretty good, right? That's a pretty good return on your money. Don't sleep on Bitcoin. Do not do that. You'll regret it. Remember, diversification of your portfolio is important. Like I always talk about time and time again, I currently hold 50% of my crypto in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum. I got BNB. I got a little pattering of XRP. Cardano, I have a lot. I still believe Cardano long term is going to be looking good. Doge, ton of Doge. I got a ton of Doge. I got 4 million Doge, boys and girls. I bought that like way like 00025, like way back, when dinosaurs were still roaming. That's what I did. Okay, smash the freaking likes, guys. I gotta lubricate. Guys, keep watching. I see that the people are not watching anymore. People are getting bored. People are dropping off. What else is coming in? We talked about that. We talked about this is what's happening over the last 2 days in case you missed it. Saudi Arabia no longer interested in pleasing the U.S. Saudi Arabia attempting to adopt economic strategies without the U.S. dependence. Chinese want to replace U.S. dollar becoming most traded currency in Russia. Whoa. We saw OPEC issues. Malaysia says there's no reason to depend on the dollar. So we're seeing, like I said, the pending collapse of the dollar. We're seeing that Trader Targan is talking about Bitcoin repeats this pattern in 4 years apart. So every 4 years we have this pattern, and we're going to have this 1, 2, 3, and then 4, boom, $230,000 coming in for Bitcoin in 2024, 2025. Wow. Confirmation right there. Right freaking there, guys. We talked about that. Layoffs, Amazon, Google, a ton of people are getting laid off right now. Not a good time to be in tech. Don't look now, but Bitcoin is starting to move. We're seeing Bitcoin start to move, guys, and that we could see $2,900 coming in for Bitcoin. So right now, Bitcoin is at 28,694. Smash the freaking likes, guys. Smash the likes out there. It's a great time to be live. A couple more things, and then we'll get into the Q&A section out there. So, guys, Bitcoin will show us some love this cycle, guys. Definitely this cycle. Last cycle we saw 3x and 16x. Right now, we're not sure, but definitely we're going to the moon, guys. Going to the moon. So let's take a quick look at the Shiba Inu price right now. So Shiba Inu right now is at 11.25. It's kind of just going sideways as well. Guys, don't forget, if you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there. Get a hardware wallet. I'm begging you. Be safe out there. Also, guys, you can be part of the conversation if you want to. The link is down there. Go get it. So, guys, let's do some Q&A right now. All right, this is time for the community to ask some questions out there. All right, community. All right. Scott, welcome. If you guys have questions, now's the time to ask, guys. Ask me anything right now. Now's the time to get it off your chest. and ask the OG what is going on with crypto out there. So Brian Wood in the house, Scott in the house, James Lindsay, Lexington Luger. Yeah, much love, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you for all the super chats out there from everybody. Frank out there, Jose, Mr. Brilliant. Thank you to everyone that gave a super chat. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. So Rem Sleeper says, if Doge goes to $1, OG will have 4 million. Yes, I will. That is a fact. Jackity Jack out there. I appreciate that. Nick and channel portfolio. Yeah, we need to start looking at channel portfolio. I'm going to start covering that probably in the next video. We'll take a look at that. We will take a look at the channel portfolio. Thank you for reminding me, Nick. Ricky Bobby, how do I buy Dogecoin? I mean, if you want to buy Dogecoin, there's a lot of centralized exchanges that you can buy it on, like Binance, KuCoin, Crypto.com. I think they're all carrying it out there. So that's how you do it. You could mine. Another way to get it is you mine Dogecoin, set up a mining rig out there. You can mine it, and that's another way. Michael Dezidi, OG, why do you choose Vietnam? Well, one of the reasons I'm out here is because, you know, I'm running hotels, opening hotels, and Asia is the best place to be. There, you know, in terms of tourism, Asia is hot. Look at Bangkok. Bangkok is one of the top cities in the world for tourism. Vietnam is also a hot destination out there. And also out there, you don't have to deal with the man and the taxes out there. So, and also Asia is very crypto friendly. That's important. That's important. And we got some crypto friendliness out there. Travis in the house, guys. Travis in the house. We got Shashan is asking, after the recent pump of Dogecoin, should I still hold Doge? Well, like I said, if you're in profit, I always pay myself, not financial advice. If I'm up 200%, I take 50% off the table. If I'm up 400%, I take another 50% off the table. So at the end of the day, if you pay yourself, what you have left is all house money. Make sure you pay yourself. I never sell a loss. So if I buy something and it's down, I don't sell. It means I just got to hodl and wait like a madman until this thing goes up, guys. Guys, we've got 171 people in the stream. Can we please smash the freaking likey wakeys? Michelle, the city, OG, what are the odds of BRICS trading oil with BTC? I don't know, but people have been starting to talk about it. That, you know, could Bitcoin become the reserve currency of the world? Some people are saying possible. Some people are saying never going to happen. We'll have to wait and see, guys. We'll have to wait and freaking see out there. Have to wait and see. Have to wait and see out there, guys. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. I appreciate it. Don't forget to do that. 100% confirm. AMG, how likely for people to pay for cars in crypto and OEMs like Tesla accepting it? So there are some countries, some dealerships in some parts of the world that do accept crypto to buy cars. A lot of third parties like BitPay do accept crypto. Also, you know, there are different exchanges that offer crypto credit cards, and you can use your crypto credit card right now to buy stuff with. So that's what that's all about. It's happening. It's happening. What else we got? James Lynn, let's see. Never sell down, but this is from CK Minsk. Never sell down, but brother, I've been waiting forever. Yeah, me too, you know. But I did take profits, you know, when we had the last bull run, when we saw like almost $70,000 Bitcoin. I did take profits on all of my crypto, guys. So that's what you got to do. You've got to pay yourself. You've got to freaking pay yourself out there, guys. Smash the likes out there. OMG, now I crave a Mountain Dew. Oh, get a Bacardi Sweat. It's healthy for you. They say that it makes your skin look better. That's what my wife says. Guys, Lindsay, no bank needed. Bobby, yeah, absolutely. So guys, Darren, Conrad, Allison, Edmund, smash the likes, guys. So I'm going to end this live stream in the next couple of minutes if we don't get any more questions out there, guys. Smash the likes. Super chats would be appreciated. And if you're not watching in the live stream, you can give super thanks. I appreciate it. Brian Wood, any platforms that UD advise against? I mean, for me, if I'm going to be using a platform, I use the big ones like Binance, Crypto.com, That's all I use. Crypto.com, Binance, Luno. Not financial advice. I'm using the big ones. You know, stay away from the little ones. Stay away from anything that's advertised on Twitter unless it's a big one, and confirm the links that you click, because there's a lot of websites that the fraudsters and scammers have that look like legit, but they're not legit. So cross check. Watch out for phishing. And remember, if you get an email from someone that you don't recognize saying invest in this, invest in that, don't do it. It's dangerous. Okay. Strike Hart, anything over 30 would be great. Yeah, brother. James Lindsay, Brian Wood, Weeble. Yeah, but remember, you want to be in a situation, Brian, where you control your crypto. And if you're not going to be trading, swing trading or day trading, then use an exchange, buy it, and send it to your hardware wallet. That's what I do, not financial advice. Remember that, because if you have your crypto on an exchange, you don't own the crypto. Basically, the exchange is giving you an IOU, and if they collapse, look what happened to FTX, look what happened to Celsius, look what happened to Voyager. A lot of peeps ain't going to see their money, all right? So, Michael DeZitti, OG, you ever had any scammer, whammer, bammers try to scam you? Yeah, like daily, but I'm smart, and I never succumb. The whole rule is, if it sounds too good to be true, don't invest, guys. Just be smart. Be smart. If someone says, oh, you can make a quick buck, do this, do that, it ain't real, guys. Ain't freaking real. Daniel Cartwright, have a great one. Thank you, brother. All right, thank you. So, guys, I'm going to end this stream right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is OG, the Ric Flair of Critchell, signing out, saying, have a blessed one. Be well, guys. Be absolutely freaking well out there. And I love you guys. I love you guys to death. See you in the next one. Peace out.